How to turn off private browsing on Android. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up, and here are the most common ones. So one of them is Google Chrome, which is one of the most common. You can open up Chrome and tap on the tabs icon. So at the top of your screen, you can find a tab icon with a square number in it. And once you tap on it, you can just go over and switch from the normal mode, switch to the normal tabs, and you can close all the incognito tab as well. You can tap on the close icon if you want to close it up, and that should do it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for other browsers in our device and follow up the same process. Usually we cannot permanently disable the incognito mode in most of the browsers, so you can only close the private tabs or switch back to the normal mode, and that way you should be able to block it out. So that's it everybody. For now, we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.